Okay, so it's a look, but do not get it twisted. What are we doing, Sensational? Do we need to have this conversation again? Because this is another cap that's made for a baby. I just feel like some of these units, like, since they've already lived up to the name and our expectations are high, I feel like they kind of drop the ball. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me, and you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this new unit that's on my head. This one is from the Sensational Butta Lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style Butta Unit 5 and the color number 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction, your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It is that Butta Lace whole what lace collection situation, so it does come a bit pre-plucked, and it also does come with baby hairs. But with this one, you do only get this middle singular parting, which does look pretty good. But I don't know what's going on at the front. I feel like the front is pretty, like, thick for some reason. I don't know if other people have experienced that, but it's strange. It kind of reminds me of like one of those old school lace fronts where it's super like thick and dense up front. So I have no idea what is going on with that. You may be able to get away with sort of just swooping a baby hair like I tried to do and hiding it, but I have no idea what is going on with that. So the density on it is definitely about 150. It's not super heavy on my head. I really like the density of it. The texture is pretty strange. It's kind of hard, rough, and coarse. I wouldn't necessarily say that it's yaki texture. It kind of feels like they used some like cheap braiding here, if you get what I mean. Like, don't get me twisted, the look looks really, really pretty, but these curls, honey, if you felt it, you would be like, what is going on here? Because that's what I said. It's a really cute look. I really love how it looks, but I'm not feeling the construction necessarily. I do like that the parting space is kind of like thicker, and I do like that it came with the baby hairs and that it's sort of like plucked in the front, but other than that, I'm not a fan of the texture, and I'm definitely not a fan of whatever is going on up here with this thickness. Like, it's strange feeling. I don't know why they did that. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what it's looking like. So yeah, definitely do note that this is not going to be small, medium, and big head friendly. This is definitely small head friendly and maybe medium head friendly. I had a bit of a struggle putting this one on. If you do have a medium to larger size head, medium, you may be able to make it work, because I have a 22-inch head. But if you do have a larger size head, I think it's going to be an issue for you, because honey, even me trying to get these combs in, no. And I could not wear this one with a wig grip band, so definitely just keep that in mind if you're thinking about picking this one up. I mean, I really do like how it looks. I just wish they came a little bit harder with it, like they have with a lot of the past Sensational What lace units. I just feel like some of these units, like, since they've already lived up to the name and our expectations are high, I feel like they kind of dropped the ball. And since our expectations are so high, they're kind of just like thinking they can give us whatever. And since their name's on the brand, they think that we'll just pick it up anyway. And apparently it's working, because I picked it up thinking, oh, it's sensational, it should be good. I only had one unit that kind of was trash for me, but like, no, they're not coming with it. I mean, I'm kind of happy that I tried it, because I do like the look of it, but definitely just beware that if your head is on the larger size, you're not going to be able to get this one. And also, if you're not looking to put work into a unit, especially with this whole front situation, this may not be for you, because I wish you guys could like feel what I'm talking about. It's like, it's weird. It's super thick up here for some reason, which doesn't make any sense. But honestly, that's all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.